welcome back to the channel. Today, inside this factory, a surprising transformation is about to unfold.
At the edge of vast agricultural land, a different kind of manufacturing begins. This facility
Inside each stem lies a network of natural fibers. These fibers will soon be extracted and refined.
The process begins with careful handling and controlled movement. Every step is designed to preserve fiber quality.
Cleaning removes soil and impurities from the raw material. This prepares the fibers for extraction.
Outer layers are carefully removed to reveal usable fibers. The transformation has already begun.
We need to adjust the flow on line 3. The pressure is dropping too fast.
I see it. Opening the valve now.
These delicate strands will form the base of synthetic hair. Their strength and flexibility are critical to the final product.
What begins as agricultural waste is already taking new form. And this is only the beginning of a much more complex process. The extracted fibers still contain natural moisture. Controlled drying prevents damage and prepares them for further refinement. As moisture is removed, the fibers begin to stabilize. This stage determines their durability in later processing. Drying also helps separate tightly bound strands. This improves consistency for the next phase. Mechanical combing aligns the fibers into uniform strands. It also removes unwanted fragments.
Short fibers are filtered out during this stage. Only the strongest strands continue.
Aligned fibers begin to resemble the structure of hair. But they are not yet ready for shaping.
The fibers are arranged into controlled layers. This ensures even treatment in the next stage.
Preparation is now complete. The fibers are ready for transformation at a molecular level.
The fibers now enter a controlled chemical phase. Here, their natural structure begins to change. Specialized solutions soften and stabilize the fibers. This prepares them for shaping and durability. Each tank performs a specific function. The transformation happens step by step.
After treatment, the fibers become more refined. Their texture begins to resemble natural hair.
Excess chemicals are carefully removed. Balance is essential for consistent results.
Stretching enhances length and uniformity. This step defines the final structure of each strand. Uniform thickness is critical for realism. Even slight variation can affect the final appearance.
The fibers are now continuous and manageable. They begin to take on a hair-like form.
The core transformation is complete. Next comes the precision work that defines realism. The process now shifts to precision. Each strand must be controlled with exact accuracy.
Alignment defines the natural fall of hair. Even spacing is essential for realism.
Controlled tension stabilizes each strand. This prevents uneven behavior during styling. Length consistency is critical at this stage. Each strand must match exact specifications.
Color is applied in controlled layers. This creates a natural and uniform appearance.
Drying locks in the color.
It also preserves the softness of the fibers.
The fibers are now ready for assembly. They will soon be attached, strand by strand.
Knotting determines how the wig behaves. It defines movement and realism.
Structure and form are now taking shape. The final stages will refine every detail further.
Each knot is carefully examined. Consistency at the root defines durability.
Movement testing ensures natural behavior. The fibers must respond like real hair.
Strength is measured under controlled stress. Only durable fibers move forward.
Environmental testing checks resistance to moisture. Stability under changing conditions is critical.
Automated systems detect subtle flaws. Only flawless products are approved.
Quality control is now complete. The final step will prepare them for the global market.
Packaging reflects both quality and origin. The material inside is carefully presented to the customer. Automation ensures uniform packaging. Every box meets the same standard.
Each package includes essential care information. Proper handling extends the life of the product.
Sealing protects the product from external damage. It prepares each unit for transport.
Tracking information is added to every package. This ensures traceability and quality assurance.
Finished products are organized for storage. Efficiency continues even at the final stage.
The products are now ready for distribution. From here, they will travel across global markets. What began as discarded banana stems has become a finished product, a transformation shaped by precision.
Distribution connects the factory to the marketplace. Each unit is tracked as it moves toward retail locations.
Presentation plays a key role in retail. The product must appear organized and accessible.